Hi friends, welcome to part 2 in profit and loss account. In this video, we will be discussing about type 3 and type 4 questions in profit and loss account. Now see first question, a person sold an article at a loss of 10%. If he had it been sold for 480 rupees more, he got a profit of 6%. Find its cost price. See, a person sold an article at a loss of how much? 10%. Here take cost price is 100%. Loss of 10% means how much? 90%. If he had it been sold for 480 rupees more, then he got a profit of, profit means add that profit percentage to this 100%. Profit percentage is 6%. So 106%. Find its cost price. Here 106% and 90% difference is how much? Value is 480 rupees. 480 more. If he had it been sold 480 more, then he got this much of percentage. So here difference is 480 rupees. 16%. 16% is 480 rupees. Then find out 100% cost price. 16 into how much is 48? 3 into 3, then 300 and extra 0, then value is 3000. Otherwise cross multiply, then you get 3000 rupees is the result. Another method is here 10% is loss. 10% is loss and 6% is profit. Loss and profit, not like poles. If there are like poles, means loss and profit, then we should subtract. But here loss, profit, these two are not like poles. These two are unlike poles. And 10% loss and 6% profit means we should add these two. Addition is there. These two poles are attractive, so add these two. Directly 16% equal to given value, that is 480, then 100% equal to what? This is a shortcut. Otherwise find out these values, then take difference value, then equate to that given value, then find out the cost price. Now see second question, a person sold an article at a loss of 8%. Loss is how much? 8% loss. And if he had it been sold 160 rupees more, then he loses 6%. Again loss, how much? 6%. Find its cost price. 100% equal to how much? This is given information. Here loss, again loss, then these two are repulsive. Take the difference in between these two values. So 2% equal to how much? What is the given value? 160. And 100 rupees equal, 100% equal to how much? Then 100 into 160 by 2. Then 80. So result is 800 rupees. Here finally, if you get this type of questions, then profit, then take difference, and loss take difference. Profit and loss take addition, and loss and profit take addition. Because these two are not like poles, different. These two are same. That's why take the difference. Like poles are repulsive. Now coming to type 4 questions. Third one, a person purchased certain number of articles for 5 rupees. 4 articles for how many rupees? 5 rupees. 4 articles for 5 rupees. And he sold 5 for 4 rupees. 5 articles for 4 rupees. Here he purchased 4 articles for 5 rupees and 5 articles for 4 rupees he sold. So this is CP. Okay, and this is SP. Now place arrow marks like this. Now what is the question? Find his overall profit or loss percentage. Here CP information is this and SP information is this. Now take multiplication of these two values. 5 into 5. What is the result? 25. And 4 into 4, that is 16. This is CP and this is SP. Now find out the profit or loss percentage. 25 and 16. Selling price is less than cost price, then there is a loss. Loss percentage equal to, what is the difference here? 9. 9 and cost price is 25 into 100. Now 25 cancelled 4 times. In this 100, 9 into 4 is 36. 36 percentage is the result. Now see fourth question. A person purchased means a cost price. A person purchased certain number of articles, 90 for 5 rupees. 19 articles for 5 rupees. So here 19 for 5 rupees. And next, this is articles and this is rupees. And he sold 12 for 3 rupees. 12 for 3 rupees. Then find his overall profit or loss percentage. Now see, place arrow marks like this. Then 12 into 5, right in the place of here. 12 into 5, how much? 60. And 19 into 3, how much? 57. This is CP and this is SP. What is the difference? 3 is the difference. Profit or loss? Loss, because the selling price is less than cost price. So loss percentage equal to loss by cost price is 60 into 100. Then 0, 0 cancel and 2 times cancel and 5. So 5% loss is the result. Now fifth question. Ravi purchased a cycle for 4,000 rupees and he sold to Raju at a loss of 20%. Raju again sold to Ramesh at a loss of 10%. Find the cost price of a cycle at Ramesh. Ravi purchased a cycle for how much? 4,000 rupees. Here Ravi purchased for 4,000 rupees. Next he sold to Raju at a loss of 20%. Always cost price is 100%. Here loss is 20%. So 100 minus 20 is 80%. Multiplication and 80% means 80 by 100 into Raju sold to Ramesh at a loss of 10%. Raju sold to Ramesh. So Ramesh 10% means 90 by 100. Always take 100% is a cost price and 100 minus 10% means 90%, 90 by 100. Then finally find out the cost price of the cycle at Ramesh. Now calculate this one. Now 4 into 8 is 32. 32 into 9. 18, 1 and 27, 28. 2, 8, 8 and 0 is there. 2,880 rupees is the result. Now see last question, sixth question. If A sells an article to B at a loss of 10%, B sells to C at a profit of 10%, C purchased that article for 9,900 rupees. Find the cost price of an article at A. Cost price at A we don't know. Suppose take it as X and A sold it to B. So B how much loss? 10% loss. So into 90 by 100. Again B sold to C how much percentage profit? 10 percentage. So 10 percentage profit means 100 plus 10, so 110. 110 by 100. Finally, what is the price of that article? 9900. Simplify this one. 0000 gets cancelled and x is equal to this 9 cancelled how many times? 1100 and 11 cancelled how many times? 100 times. Now see 100 into 100 then that is equal to 10,000 rupees is the result. I hope you understand all these questions. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.